Dr. Trasnoff again with one of our video testimonials. This is an excellent patient of ours, Danielle. I wanted her to kind of share her story and a couple of the different little comments that she's talked about in the office in regards to her field and some of her patients. So Danielle, take it away.
Coming to the center, I've had a lot of really bad chronic shoulder pain. And I did go see my primary care physician first, but they wanted to push medications and physical therapy, and I thought that I'd be able to find an alternative way to heal my pain, and did a lot of research online, contacted several chiropractors, but I found Tucker because they used a non-traditional, non-medication, more hands-on, natural approach to this.
Yeah, so one thing that we've noticed a trend on is when you go to your PCP, usually they do one or two things, medication or physical therapy. It's rare that they recommend something that actually gets in there and they focus on the structural aspect of things. So Danielle, you are a nurse.
Yes.
So how has chiropractic care kind of affected that realm of your life?
Well, I believe in old school medicine, but I also believe in non-traditional medicine, but I just think that today's society is too over-medicated, and that's one of the biggest problems right now is an addiction epidemic. I'm an addictions nurse and a regular medical nurse, and I just didn't want someone to give me pills to get better. I wanted to get to the root of the problem so that I can maintain it and live a healthier life, which has helped my patients too.
Absolutely, because when you're at your best, just like if I'm at my best, my patients get the best care. If you're at your best, you can deliver the best kind of care for them too.
Absolutely.
So, when you first came to Tucker Chiropractic Center, I had the privilege of meeting you on the day too, and the difference that I've seen in your care so far. So, kind of explain how you felt maybe in the beginning of care versus now.
Just people need to be patient with their bodies. We live in a very, right now, society. We want instant gratification, and I was also guilty of being frustrated at first because I didn't get the results that I wanted right away. But it didn't take a day or two to get to the pain level that I was at. So I had to stay in contact with you guys and the therapists and massage therapists and understand that it's going to take a little while to get to the point of starting to feel better. It wasn't going to be an instantaneous click and I was going to feel fine after just coming for a few days. So as I stuck with it, it did improve, and it's more of a staying at that healthy spot instead of just waking up and saying, all right, I'm fine, I don't need to come anymore.
Right. And so often that's a lot of what our patients say. What makes us different is that we focus on corrective care. We want this problem corrected before we send you off on your way. And that is it tests your patients, it really does. But continuing with it can make the difference between a life of holistic or medicated.
I feel like a new person every week that I come. I feel better. It's not just the physical thing, it's the mind-body connection too. It makes a huge difference in your everyday life. When you wake up in the morning, you feel better. When you come in, you look forward to feeling good.
So what would you say to someone who might be on the edge of maybe seeking out chiropractic or seeking out our center in particular?
Be patient with your body. Listen to the practitioners here because they're all very well experienced in what they do, and just try to stick with it. Patience is key when it comes to this type of healing.
Absolutely. Danielle is like one of our favorite patients. She's always the happiest person walking in the door. We just look forward to her every time she's in here. And like we kind of talked about, she was at that low point at the beginning, and it made all the difference. If you know somebody, or if you could benefit from maybe coming in and seeking out a holistic option, we absolutely encourage you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you, Danielle, and we'll see you next time.